Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, Miss Harsha. Today I will be talking about a very interesting topic which I don't think usually people talk about or people are bothered about, but I thought this is something which I got an inspiration from my own life, and I thought that if I share with you I can be a contribution to your life as well. So let's start with the video without further doing any kind of delay. People who don't ask questions are stupid. Those who ask questions are not. I must repeat this once again. Students who don't ask questions are stupid. And students who ask a lot of question and more question are not. I hope this sounds little crazy, but that's the fact, my friends. This is which I would like you to be, the question energy, the energy of a question. Be the question, because when you ask question, you are allowing yourself to receive the knowledge which you are looking for. For example, in my childhood, in my school days, I used to ask a lot of questions, okay? And normally, I guess this is not something which only I have experienced. I am really sure about this, that a lot of you guys have also experienced this, that normally when you ask too many questions, you know what? Teachers usually say this, that ask me 100 times if you don't understand something, ask me 1,000 times if you are not getting something, I will answer you, I'll be happy to answer you. But when you finally start asking your questions, they feel really irritated. Most of them, not all the teachers, but most of them, okay? You know what? Questions, I have seen that, students who ask questions, normally people address them as crazy, as weird, or as something that, oh my god, how many questions you have, you are always asking questions, how weird you are, how stupid you are, you don't know anything. No, a person who is asking too many questions is not a dumb person. It is just the curiosity that person has, that student has, to know more about a subject. It's the curiosity, it's the enthusiasm which that student has, and that's why they are asking so many questions. And if you are a teacher, then definitely it's like, whom they will go and ask. A student will of course go and ask the teacher about a certain subject. And as a teacher, if you're not delivering that knowledge, and if you're not imparting and sharing your knowledge, I'm really sorry about that, because that doesn't work. That doesn't work with the student. And I am telling you, if you are a student or anybody who is learning any course, or studying in an academy or institute or anything, university, whatever it is, ask questions. Questions empower you. Questions make you learn things out of the syllabus of your book. Because what the teachers teach, it is more or less surrounded, or it goes around the syllabus. But when you start asking questions, you actually start inviting more possibilities into your life, and that's how you create yourself as something who is different from the rest of the world. And the knowledge you will gain by asking question will be really different. It will make you a brilliant student. Okay, if you don't ask question, if you just read and learn whatever there is the book, you are actually focusing to become an average student, knowingly or unknowingly. Kindly get this. Okay, so ask questions. If somebody is telling you that you are stupid and you are asking so many questions, just ignore them. Know that if you are asking too many questions, that's the sign of you becoming a brilliant student in that subject, in that class. And forget about subject in class, in your life. That's the more valuable thing. Okay, so whenever somebody tells you that you are a stupid, if you ask question, you know what to do, and you are smart enough. So if you're asking too many questions, yes, you are smart, you are curious, you are excited, you are enthusiastic about that subject, about your life, and about the life you would like to create. Because to create the desired life, you definitely need to educate yourself. You need certain informations, you need some clarity around some subjects, around some facts, and around some realities, right? So that's how you create your desired life. And guys, if you are asking questions, don't feel anything like shame or guilty about asking questions, because questions always empower you. And here I am, and I don't want to know what you have done before watching this video, but I surely hope that after this video you will actually choose that which creates your life and not destroys you. Because when you don't ask questions, you are actually not expanding. Because when you ask questions, it expands you as a being, it expands you as a person, and it expands you as a whole, creation of this earth. Okay, and if you would really like to change this world, be in question not only to your teachers, to yourself as well, to the universe, to your parents, everybody. I know I sound little crazy sometimes, but this is the way to create your life. Ask questions and just go ahead and ask more and more questions. Okay, don't stop, because when you stop asking questions, you actually stop expanding and becoming big in your life. Okay, so just ask the questions. And if you're a student, just put this into your head and this will change your life. I am telling you, this is change your life. Question empowers. Okay, you're not stupid. Go and ask your question. Okay, those who don't answer your questions, those who tell you that you are stupid, they are stupid, but you are not. I am telling you, you are not. And get this. And you know what, somewhere you also know that you are not. Okay, just by believing those people, you start believing that you are stupid, and you have started not asking questions. Don't do that. Don't do that. People will say what they want to say. You can't stop people, but definitely if you don't ask questions, you can stop your life from growing. Okay, and if you don't want that, definitely you know now what you have to do. Okay, so ask your questions without any hesitation, because to create your desired life, you have to be little vulnerable. Okay, so yes, this was the video about the importance of question in a student's life. If you liked this video and if you liked the content, then please subscribe to my channel. I hope you don't want to miss any such content in the near future. Do like the video, and if you feel that this can be a contribution to any of your friends or family or cousins or sisters or brothers life, then kindly share with them and also be a contribution to their life as well, and take the credit. Okay, so yeah, this is my Instagram handle where you can also follow me. I go live every alternate day with very interesting topics, and I hope you can enjoy that too as well, because no knowledge goes wasted. Something or the other is always useful to you. Okay, so I really hope that this video was helpful and a contribution to your life. And if you want me to do any videos on such topics or similar or anything, then you can definitely comment down and let me know. I'll definitely consider that and create a content around it. Until then, I'll see you guys soon, and keep asking questions, more questions and more questions.